you ever feel drained, overwhelmed, and in need of relaxation? I think we all do sometimes. Stress and burnout are super common these days. Luckily, there are many fun creative activities that can help calm your mind and recharge your spirit. In this video from arthealsminds.com, we'll look at 10 of the best creative hobbies that have therapeutic benefits for distressing after a long day. Let's get started. 1. Paint by number kits. Paint by number kits offer a super relaxing painting experience, even for total beginners. As you fill in the numbered shapes, you'll enter a focused, meditative state. Complete a piece for a beautiful homemade work of art. 2. Pottery and ceramics. Molding sculptures and throwing pots brings out your inner artist. Feel your stress melt away as you shape clay with your hands. 3. DIY crafting. Fun crafts like sewing, jewelry making, or candle making engage your creativity in a calming way. Choose a project and make it your personal timeout. 4. Adult coloring books. Remember coloring as a kid? Adult coloring books offer the same magic. The repetitive motions are centering. Get lost in the flow of choosing colors. 5. Photography. Photography helps you appreciate visual details and be present. Take neighborhood shots, then edit your work later with relaxing music. 6. Journal creatively. Express yourself in a journal through doodles, colorful pens, collaging. Written reflection is therapeutic. 7. Cook a new recipe. Cooking engages your senses creatively. Find an exciting new recipe and cook to upbeat music. 8. Knitting or crocheting. The repetitive motions of knitting, crocheting, or needlepoint are calming. Keep your hands busy while your mind unwinds. 9. Play soothing music. Learning an instrument like ukulele or keyboards is very rewarding. Create your own relaxing melodies. 10. Tend to a garden. Gardening also connects you to nature's beauty. Prune, plant, and make your garden a relaxing sanctuary. The next time you're feeling overwhelmed, try an activity from this video to distress and get creative. Don't underestimate the power of engaging in a hobby you love. Thanks for watching this video from arthealsminds.com. Let us know in the comments which creative activity you find most relaxing. And be sure to visit arthealsminds.com for more resources on using creativity to improve mental health and well-being. Thanks for watching.